Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with more Mars anomalies and strange artifacts. This time we're going to be looking at what looked like the tops of buried structures and possibly some debris or wreckage on the southern plains of Aonia Terra. The photograph we're looking at here was acquired on the 26th of October 2020 and it's called Periglacial Survey. It was acquired at 24.9 centimeters per pixel, and I'll be showing images are cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file, just over 800 megabytes in size. There's a look at the low res black and white, and the anomalies we're checking out are some of these dots scattered about this very flat terrain with what looked like dust devil tracks all over the place. Very windy site on Mars by the looks of it. Check out the tracks going over that circular depression over there. Very interesting. Right, the site we're looking at is located over there, folks, and at the time of this video the high-rise photograph had not been loaded to Google Earth Mars yet. We'll have a look at some of the other anomalies close by towards the end of the video. So this site is located roughly 64 degrees 45 minutes south, 106 degrees 48 minutes west. There's the first anomaly, folks. It looks like some type of wreckage perhaps. That piece over there is about 10 meters across and about 14 meters long. Now check out the two parallel slots over there in this item. It looks like that might even be like a block or a slab. Look at the straight edges and the right angle over there. And then this piece over here to the right, get the straight edges and rounded corner there. And it's also got this rounded shape. Lots of these in this photograph, folks, and there's another block, the small hole in it right there to the left. There's also numerous small blocks in this image. Right, check out the part over there. Very weird. That's about 12 meters across. The right angle over here, it looks like some type of sheet metal perhaps. Check out the two small donut shaped objects over there to the left. Very similar in size and shape. And if we look at this part, it's also got a rounded corner. Strange design. It's got a right angle there, folks. And then across it we've got that long and narrow rectangular shaded area. What could we be looking at here, guys and girls? We're looking at this piece. I found so many of these on Mars now. It's also about 15 meters long and it's got a strange shape to it. All the others that I've found have got this rounded shape to them. Very long, narrow piece. It's got like a uniform width to that part that's sticking out above the surface. I don't know what this could be. Some type of wreckage perhaps, like, again, sheet metal, who knows. We're looking at these rectangular parts over here. The piece there's about 15 meters long and it's got these bevels on it parallel with that one side. Get the right angles to these rectangular parts. This has almost got like a stepped feature to it. We're looking at that small rounded part over there, about 6 meters across. Check out the perfectly circular design on this one side. Again, some type of wreckage or debris. Small blocks here, folks. We've got two next to one another there, and each one's about 3 by 3 meters in size. The right angles to this one. This one's got a rounded corner, very similar to one of the first ones we looked at in this video. More blocks in this image. Check out this one. It's about 5 meters across, and it's got a right angle to it over there. Now we're looking at these items. This one at the bottom is about 8 meters across. It's got straight edges, right angles to it again, folks. A strange bevel on the top, parallel with that one side. And then this piece over here. I wonder if this is an opening in the Martian surface and this is lying over the top. Very strange configuration going on there as well. And we're looking at that strange narrow part. I found so many of these on Mars as well. Check out this piece. It's about 12 meters long. It's got like a rectangular design rounded over here on the one side. Strange small spherical part there in the center, and it seems to be hollowed out over here to the top. And we're looking at these two pieces. This one over here to the left is about 8 meters long. What's interesting about this is the hollowed out portion here in the center, and then this part over here to the right lines up with that hollowed out line over there. And then the two parallel edges. Look at the right angle over here and over here as well. So what the heck could that be? It looks like something that's been dented and bent up. And we're looking at this that looks like the top of some type of structure that's been covered in sand. That whole piece there is about 14 to 15 meters across. Check out the layers going on here. The 3 layers to this object. It's got right angles and straight edges here, and this part over there also straight edges, right angle parallel with this one side over here, and then this strange rounded piece at the bottom, the usual protrusion or knob close to the center. So what are we looking at here, folks? Could this be the top of some type of buried structure? It's got some geometry going on there. And then this strange part, it's about 12 meters across. Check out the hole over here. And then this strange horseshoe shaped part over here on the right. There's another donut shaped part there. Strange rectangular hollowed out surface feature over here to the bottom left. What could that be, folks? Some type of structure, perhaps. Looks like that might be an opening there as well. Alright, let's check out that site in Aonia Terra. Just briefly have a look at the anomalies again. The similarity in the size of these objects. Right, let's have a look at some of the other sites around here. The Brie field near Bianchini. I featured this one in the recent past. Check out the rectangular block there with this dome-like part in its center. Rounded piece here, also with the part in its center. Look at the disc mounted to this strange part underneath it. How can this be natural, folks? Check out the straight edges, right angle there, and then this part on top of it with a uniform thickness to it lying across the diagonal. Another slab with right angles there. Seems to be propped up on the one side. Small little triangular feature there on the one side. Look at the right angles to this part over here to the left. Also one of many discs I discovered on Mars. A small saucer shaped part there in the center of that. Small dome on it. That there's about 3 meters across, folks. Check out the straight edges and right angles to these parts, with the customary protrusion or knob in the center. Another disc-shaped part there. Very much the same size as that one. Even this one. But it's got a strange triangular part sticking off on the one side. It looks as if it's bent down slightly. Right, let's have a look at one more site. Anomalies west of Bianchini. Interesting design there again. 2 large parts. It's got a slot or a separation between the two, and as always the small bridging part in the center. Very similar to the one we looked at in the site to the right. Check out the placement of these small parts. Here we've got a triangular object next to what looks like an opening on this part. And there looks like there's a rectangular hole in that block. Small circular disc next to it. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. To my new subscribers, just want to say welcome on board. And to my veterans, thank you for supporting my work and research. Much appreciated. As always, let's have a chat in the comments below. Take care, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now.